On this episode of The Lonely Ab, we're making Costcovian Queso Blanco Nachos.
Ooh, qué rico. That's so good.
Welcome to The Lonely Ab. My name is Mike Ballard. I'm a home cook and stroke survivor. I had a stroke about 4.5 months ago, so I started The Lonely Ab to show how you can heal through healthy eating. I focus on foods that are low in sodium for high blood pressure and low in sugar and controlled carbs for diabetes because I have diabetes type 2. Thank you for everybody that left comments on the last video telling me that this episode should be next, which is the healthy version of a Taco Bell Nacho BellGrande. So you guys came through, and I'm gonna ask you for one more favor. Please share the video with one person. Here's some things that you find out when you have way too much time on your hand because you're quarantined in the house. Today is March 21st as I'm recording this. The first Taco Bell was opened on March 21st, 1962, so happy birthday, Taco Bell. Feliz cumpleaños, Taco Bell. Our recipes always have 4 steps: gather, prep, cook, and plate. As you can see, we've gathered a lot of ingredients for our Costcovian Queso Blanco Nachos. The base of any good nachos is good chips, and we have these organic sweet potato chips from Costco. And you can't have nachos without nacho sauce. So instead of the typical bright orange nacho sauce you'll see, and we all love, we're making a healthy ricotta-based queso blanco. Instead of ground beef, what we're doing is we're using 93% lean ground turkey. We're gonna have a bunch of toppings. We have sweet peppers, pickled jalapeno pepper, fresh cut tomatoes, green onion, lettuce, limes. To top it off, we have a sauce that I'm gonna show you how to make in another episode. This is our orange jalapeno hot sauce. It's a good balance of heat and sweet. The roasted pepper puree that I just added was from the orange jalapeno hot sauce. What I'm doing is adding this to the turkey to 1, give it more flavor, and 2, give it the consistency of a ground beef sauce. I wanted to have a lot of nacho cheese, but low calories and low sodium. So I'm using ricotta, and then we're actually adding mozzarella to it. We're gonna put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. I'm gonna check it about every 30 seconds and stir it. I just took this cheese out of the microwave after about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Here we go. It's time to plate. The first layer of the nachos is lettuce. The next layer is our ground turkey. This is about 4 ounces. On top of that, we're adding some color and crunch with these pickled sweet peppers. First layer of heat with our pickled jalapenos. Woo! No, I did not thought it was going to be.
Is it hot, Mike?
Caliente.
Picante.
Picante. All right, I had to take okay, I had to take a little break there. So what we're gonna do is take off most of these jalapenos. That was way hotter than I thought it was gonna be. What I suggest is you take the seeds out before you pickle the jalapenos. Yeah, I'll leave this one little guy on here with no seeds. We're gonna add tomatoes, freshly chopped. Here we go. You can't have nachos without the queso. And just to be fancy, we're gonna top it off with some green onions. And we're gonna squirt a little lime juice on there. It's all about adding layers of flavor. And there we have it, Costcovian Queso Blanco Nachos.